Our 2007 STX-12F reliable? Very. About to buy 4 of them. All have just under 200 hours. Any info? The 12F was the smaller displacement 4-stroke. Not very powerful. Make about 100, 110 horse. Reliable. Yeah, you could throw a grenade in the engine compartment. I mean, those things are rock solid. Just make sure that you're, they say less than 200 hours, but, check them out, bow to stern, really give them a good once over. Look at the condition of the plastics, look at the condition of the wiring, look at the condition of any metals in the engine compartment, see if they're corroded, if they're rusty, if they didn't oil them down, if they weren't doing that kind of stuff. Yeah, definitely really kick the tires. Really kick the tires. Really look it over.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.